Well, our time in Arizona is coming to an end. How do you feel about it?
Black. I want to move to Arizona.
Me too.
You grab the vape?
Yeah. Tank, how do you feel? Are you sad? Are you hot? It's not that hot out here. So pretty out here. All packed up, ready to go. But yeah, we're gonna be heading home now. Probably get some breakfast. I'm starving. But yeah.
Back at home. Back in Berkey. The Berkey. Got this package from my boy West Shaq. That's gonna help me sync my times a little lower because I'll be able to launch way harder. So we got our ring gear here, our rear-wheel drive ring gear for what's in this box right here. Let me get a knife, cut the box open. So he hooked me up with a good deal on this, and a big shout out to him for real, because your boy really need one of these if he wants to go fast, because I'm trying not to break stuff. It's getting annoying. Well, it's necessarily not saying it won't break, but it will be stronger. God damn, bro, how many boxes? He put another box. Oh, let me cut this open and hold on. Just put it over there. I gotta take the AC and that to the storage. All right, so what this is a PBE fully built transfer case with straight cut gears on it. And here's our ring gear. It's gonna match with that bad boy right there. So this is gonna help us launch a little harder. It's gonna help launch a lot harder, being billet and fully built. He, like I said, he hooked me up with this, and also he hooked me up with the ring gear, so that way we can throw this in. I'm not gonna throw it in now. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some Gear X gears. I met a guy at the track. He's running Gear X gears. I'm gonna say met a guy. I met a friend at the track, because now he's a friend now. At the track, he's running Gear X gears, and he vouches for them. He's been running them for a long time. So I'm gonna try those bad boys out, save some money instead of going dog box. And my car is a street car. I don't need a dog box, like, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna run the Gear X gears with this billet transfer case and this ring gear, all in that spare trans that we have. We're gonna build that spare trans, slap that bad boy in, and we should be able to start launching the car. Seriously, at the track we was just doing a rolling into it. We wasn't really launching it how we should have. And we was only launching off 5 pounds. We wasn't launching off the whole like 15 that Brett set it to, because I didn't want to break the car. So we ran an 11.5 as you see. But this right here is going to help us so much with everything. So it feels so good, honestly. You hear it like rubbing up against the plastic, but this thing is really good. Got the stiff dowel in it as well, as you can see. Let me see if I get some light. That solid dowel is in there. That's what the PBE has. So yeah, I'm happy for this to come in. I'm gonna put it back in the box and place it somewhere safe. Don't want nobody to steal it. So it should be good to go. I'm happy. I'm glad to get home and it was still by my door. I'm glad nobody stole it, because a package came Saturday and we just got back today at 6. So thank God for that. What you want, Tank? What you need? But I catch y'all later. I'm gonna head out, have fun in Arizona. Definitely Arizona's on the list of places to move, if we can move there. But I catch y'all later. Peace. Alright, what's up, y'all? What's goody, what's poppin'? Got the car back in New Mexico, like we was saying. we couldn't get over 20 pounds, so we're trying to figure out why. So we're going to take it up to All-Wheel Performance, have them smoke test it, try to see why the car wouldn't see over 20 pounds. But let's head over there and wait for Paige to bring her ass back over. She's checking the mail, but we'll see why it didn't make over 20 pounds. That's so weird, but the car is tuned for 31 pounds, so we'll see. All right, so this is the data log from the pass that I made, the 11, what is it, 11.5, right here, 11.5, 124 miles per hour. So, as you see, our map only picked up that we made, if I can get closer, made 19 pounds at 125 miles per hour at 7,700 RPM. I go over it where I hit 8,300 is at 133 miles per hour, and they only made, oh fuck, it only made 19 pounds as well. So as far as us smoke testing at my All-Wheel Performance, we found our O-ring and our blow off was like leaking, but that's about it. We can't find any other things, but that wouldn't cause, you know, over 10 pounds of lossage. I'm gonna pull it off and check it anyway. But so far, that was one reason why we was losing some boost, not all, but some. So let me pull it off. All right, so Kyle hooked me up with another little O-ring. Pop up in here. Can't, like I said, I can't see why that was a 12% or 12 psi difference. But the leak was coming from here, so we're gonna try to see if we can fix it. We should check. We should have it as well. Get that bad boy in there. Boom. Now I'm gonna tighten it up. Alright, so we finished smoke testing it. No more leaks, so we're just probably gonna data log it today and try to see why I only made 19 pounds of boost when I'm supposed to be on 30. So the car's probably at like 5-ish, maybe, if that. I don't know why it only made that many pounds, but Kyle hooked me up, so we'll see what it does. If I have to, I might have to turn up the boost in Honda if it only makes 20 pounds out here as well. We thought maybe it's the altitude, so it's taking boost out, but normally when you go to down in altitude, it makes more boost and you have to turn it down. So air fuel was good, everything was good. We're just gonna see what it is. Car loaded back up. Probably gotta turn the boost up because we ain't got no leaks. So we'll data test it today and try to see what's going on with that. It's weird. No leaks, and we had one leak, but that wasn't a bad enough leak to like lose 12 pounds of boost. So there's a twister right there. What the hell? But, oh, probably, yeah. Shit, we'll see. We'll taking Angel back his trailer, taking the car back to the storage to try to see. But while I'm driving, I'm gonna try to data log it, give it a couple hits on the freeway, see if we can hit, you know, a high amount of boost. Maybe it was altitude. We'll see. Alright, so we're just gonna fill the air up in the tires real quick. We got it at the shop, Southwest Speed, where I'll always bring the car. But let's get the tires filled up and figure this out. So like, my map sensor right now is reading like 23, 22. Let's idle first. Let me show you that idle. I gotta have a boost leak somewhere. It's like, nope, it's not surging anymore. So it's reading at 20, 21, right? Down here, we're reading at like 15, 16 on my boost gauge. Just a cheap ass boost gauge anyway. So I don't know. So when we do some hits, I won't be able to record because I'm only in the car. So only one in the car, so I won't be able to record really. So when we get on the freeway and do some hits, I'm gonna data log it and see what we hit. So my car's running 175 right now, I think. I don't know what was wrong with those guys' car. 31 pounds. Oh, sorry. 31 pounds where we was left at when we left Colorado. We haven't touched it. We only saw 19.2 as you saw, like 20-ish pounds. So we'll see what it does, man. I can't record. Like I said, I'm only one person, so I don't have none of my mounts to try to record and do the hit. So we'll see. Got Paige driving the truck behind me. Cause we had to drop my boy's trailer back off to him. So I wanted to drive the car anyway. Try to figure that one issue out. Still got to figure out the idle issue too. It's like running a little lean during idle. Added fuel. I gotta just keep adding fuel until it gets happy. So we'll see. So even at this altitude, I did a hit at 8,800 RPMs, going 103. Going 103 miles per hour. Oh damn it! This thing's touchscreen. TPS is at 103. At 8,080 RPM. At 103 miles per hour, we only seen 18 pounds of boost, even at this altitude. So maybe it's not the altitude. Maybe we're just not seeing the boost that our car is supposed to be seeing. And that's at 11.2 fuel mileage. I mean, AFR. So the fuel is good. Just the car's not making any boost. It's kind of what it was set at, even in Arizona. We thought like maybe it's altitude. It's just the car's not making the boost that it's supposed to. So probably gonna go into the parameters and try to up the boost to see what's up. Sucks, but we'll figure it out. It's weird, man. It's really fucking weird. Cause even I shifted and did another one. It only seen 17.7. So I'll figure it out. Maybe just a boost. I'm gonna send this over to Brent and show him what I see. He'll figure it out, or I'll figure it out. Maybe just the boost need to be turned up. Man, I'm tired. Catch on the next one till we can figure that out. Man, another side note, actually, before I leave, Black Friday deals are going crazy for Honda parts. So if you're trying to make your car all-wheel drive, this is the time to try to get some stuff. I've seen almost $900 discount on Honda stuff, bro. Like the suspension I'm about to buy right now is only $700, and normally it's like $2,000. It's crazy, man. Like with 8K springs in the rear, 18K springs in the rear, 12K springs in the front. So I'm gonna try to buy that, get that on my car, see if it improves my 60 foot. Right now we was cutting a 1.7 is the best 60 foot we cut, which isn't really terrible. But that's me not actually trying to launch the car. It's me rolling the car. I don't understand how I'm cutting a 1.7 and rolling the car, and the second best was, I mean, not the second best, but like the second time I got was a 2 flat. I don't understand how the hell I'm cutting those kind of 60 foots, rolling, soft launching this car with soft springs. It's insane. So we'll see. Me actually rolling, like actually getting on it, I should cut like a 1.6, 1.5 maybe. We'll see. But still didn't fix the problem, but we'll figure it out. 70 pounds of boost, that's around like what, 500 horsepower maybe, 450-ish. Still pulling on cars, making 450-ish, 500. Well, we got to definitely get into the 30 pounds. My boy Jake was in the 30 pounds. I'm not in the 30 pounds. So we'll see. Catch y'all. Peace.